Good morning, children. My name is AVS Naisodao. I have been working in the institution since 2004. Today, we are going to start class 10th personality development lesson. What is it called personality development? Development means it's a progress. Personality means nothing is it's a character, birthmark, traits, number of synonyms are there, but we don't want to use synonyms here. First, personal development. See, every person has today we are going to see if we newspaper, if we paper coming out to suicide. Suicide is completely extremely disaster. So, if each and every person generally has two qualities. Everyone, first is inferiority. Second one, superiority. Inferiority means nothing is a completely weakness. Superiority means nothing is their upper hand. But I am superior than others. I am inferior. I am low than others. These two feelings are the person who wants to develop the personal development. The person should not have these qualities. No, nothing at all. Should not have. So each and every person has something courage. Say them G. The G in the meaning is their commitment. Commitment G is both same. G. What I should do, I can do. See, things the person has, the two comes in there, courage and commitment. Okay, it is the introduction of the development. Now, we should have the courage. We should have that courage. We have to face everything in the rapt commitment. Rapt commitment is needed for each and everyone. The person has about the two qualities. About which qualities? Inferiority and superiority. He cannot achieve. Achieving the society. So the person should have a G. For example, everyone open the page number textbook English reader page number 3. See, first of all, he given the development, given the Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran is a great performer in the Bharatanatyam. At the time of she is going to the along with the parents pilgrimage, Tiruvananthapuram, near Madras, she had an accident. In the accident, she lost her legs. It's called limbs. Then after that, with the same determination, dedication, willpower, she used the same courage, commitment. She became the international Bharatanatyam performer. How she achieved what she has? God has not given her legs. God has given. With the accident, she lost her legs. Though she had lost her legs, she performed the same commitment. The Bharatanatyam. In the same manner, see, take example, another one is Stephen Hawking. Completely. Stephen Hawking is a even performer in is the greatest famous scientist. Completely due to the disability of completely something is there, he lost everything. But nothing should function in the body except the vocal cord also not function. Due to this, computer vocal cord, completely he made a great scientist in the science. And as well as, see, now he wanted to enter into the space. The same thing, another example, see, Helen Keller. Completely, he is a complete blind, deaf, mute. He can't speak, he can't see, he can't hear anything. So, the same commitment, completely, he became a great scientist, complete something is cherished to achieve something is there more. It is a lesson what? These all the, what number of Sudha Chandran, as well as Helen Keller, and next another one What is another one? See, Ellen Keller and Stephen Hawking. These all three are, we should take the inspiration of them and we should mingle in the society in the easiest way. More out of these, another one is there. First and foremost person given company is a Nick Vujicic. Company. Nick Vujicic was born in the he is completely born in Australia. Nobody knows, none knows about the date of birth. In 1982, December, he was born. Come 1982, December, he was born. The date is not mentioned in our textbook, but we have to know it's called a G. It is completely December. Now, today first and foremost lesson is attitude is the altitude. Everyone mind it? Attitude. A-T-T-I-T-U-D-E. Attitude is altitude. A-L-T-I-T-U-D-E. Attitude means nothing is there. It's a way of thinking. The thoughts are in a positive, everything goes in the positive. The thoughts are negative, goes in the negative. Positive and negative thoughts are both is same word, it's called attitude. Yeah. So altitude is a word came from the generally used in the soil studies. Height. If the attitude is a positive is there, automatically day by day, you are going to the up means space. Something going in the high level in the development. Personality. The thought is in the completely, the negative is there, it goes in completely underneath, downward, down, up, down, underneath it goes here. So, everyone if you want to mingle the society, but you should develop you should have the attitude. Which attitude you need? Already explained in the recently. The attitude is a positive, goes in there. So, if you want attitude positive is there, you should have the commitment. Same commitment only a boy who was born in the Australia completely. Name Nick Vujicic, 1982, December 4th, he was born. Completely. Due to that, completely, we are going to say about, we are going to discuss about this attitude. See, how to open page number 4. See, attitude is attitude. Unexplained attitude means what is here? Positive and negative qualities both mingle a word. Attitude. Simple word say way of thinking. Attitude word comes from the soil studies. It goes in the high level. It is not in a low level. So when everyone should have the textbook because languages textbook is must and need teacher as well as the student. See, simple words in here. Imagine having no legs to stretch in the body. For example, suppose you haven't had legs to stretch the time of getting the lesson your slackness night time, but you haven't had the legs. Think what the position of you. The same, see, to help you scratch the itch. Something is there, what itching sensation happening in the back or front, something, some part of the body. You haven't had hands to stretch the irritation. Or next to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. See, completely, some kids are there. Kids came near you. There is great affection. If you want to cover them, hug them, wrap them, but you haven't had legs. Think, if you haven't had legs, what is the position of you? For example, if you want to stretch the hands, no hands. If you want to hug the children, no hands. If you want to stretch your body, if you want to itch the sensing, if you want to scratch the irritation, then you haven't had legs. Then completely think what is the position of you. So man completely what would art in a society, everyone thinks he is a helpless fellow. So in the same manner, imagine Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles. So suppose you have hands are there. Till now I told you we haven't had hands. Now suppose in another manner, suppose we haven't had legs. Legs having no legs to kick pebbles down the street. Example, the day while we are going on the playing on the road, going there, you should kick the stone. But you haven't had legs. If you want to skate, you want to bike, if you want to ride bicycle, want to and then you state something you need there. If one is if you want to go one place in the place, so you should have legs. Understand? To bicycle or skateboard or get you from point A to point. So if you want to perform almost all the things, you must have legs. You haven't had legs, then think what yourself is there. Man goes in the depression. Goes there. Man goes in the same depression. See, then imagine both at once. Think, just suppose you think in our imagination. You haven't had legs as well as hands. So both call them limbs. Which is what we need and faced your whole life. The same things, having no legs, having no hands. Completely, the boy faced, the boy who was born in the 1982, December, the boy faced the entire life. The life starts from the 1982. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs. The person who has no arms and legs, we learn from his limbs, or we call them complete torso. Torso means having no legs and hands. In scientific word, it's called a propomelia. The different is there. Don't want up to torso. But it does not details stop him. But having no legs, having no limbs, completely the first commitment is not enough stop. Something happened to us, your hand, completely leg, which we are feel pain. So by birth, he has a torso. But due to the same gene, commitment, courage, consolidation, the boy completed determination, dedication, willpower, the boy entered into the life. The brave 26-year boy, who is mainly torso, plays football and golf, swims and surf. See, the 26-year brave boy completely he plays a football. Can anyone play without legs football? But the boy played. Understand? In the same manner, see, golf. Golf is completely nothing is there. Golf is completely nothing is there. Is a is a game in the 18 holes maybe there. One plate goes in the ball. It's game. Golf. Swims and surf. The boy swims in the water. The boy jumps in the surf. Somebody is all called the almost all things. The boy plays football, golf, surf, swims, almost all the activities the boy did. Though he is having a torso. So Nick has a small foot on the hip, which helps him balance and enables him to kick the hip. The part of the body between waist and legs. Mind you, hip means is the part of the body between the waist and legs. Body waist and legs. The part is there. We call them waist is one, everyone. Legs is one. Yes, sir. But these things call them. What do we say? Hip. The person, I mean. So, Nicky has a small fold, left hip, which helps him balance animal. See, though he has not have the lips, God has given him a small foot given. If one is a foot in the down part of the body, but God has instead of them, God has given a small foot on his left hip. He uses his one foot to type. Write with pen and big things are between his toes. God has given a small foot given in the ear. With that only, the boy wanted to how to use the computer, how to write, how to pick the things. Everything the boy does with those things here. So I call it my chicken drumstick, jokingly. The boy has no depression. The boy has no frustration. The boy has no any distress. The boy has no sad feeling. The boy completely, I call it my chicken drumstick. The boy funny manner, jokingly. But the boy told others that he called it a chicken drumstick. See, drumstick, what is the drumstick? Drumstick means lower part of the leg. Lower part of the legs. Complete the lower part of the legs, everyone. We call them a drumstick. In that sense, the different is there. Vegetables, those drumstick not. Complete lower part of the thing. With that only, between toes. The boy was born, drumstick, jokingly, who was born in the Melbourne, Australia. First of all, introduction told here, the boy born in the Australia. Melbourne is the place, and he was born. But now lives in Los Angeles. Now the boy lives in the America, Los Angeles. But I would be lost without it. Number of times, wherever he goes, he says to everyone, completely, he would be lost without it. What is called it? It is minded, everyone. It comes to the comprehension of passages. What does it refer to? It refers to soul. It refers to small foods. Number of times told that the boy has not had the small food on his hip. He lost complete collapse. The life is there. So to the small foot only he got the courage. So here same manner, see, water sports are not mixed only. Completely playing in the water, jumping in the water, swimming in the water. These all things are not the mixed not. He plays football, golf with a club tucked under the chica. Club means stick. Tucked means arranged. The boy completely arranged a small stick here. The boy with this help of this only, the boy would throw the ball, everything is there. And huge fan of English Premier League. His parents completely, and the taking of his money, he has got a fan. Is a fan. The fan only completely, they are the left hands of them, companions of them, friends of them. The friends, when the using of the help of the friends, he made this one. His parents decided not to send him to special school. When the boy was got certain school going age, the parents decided not to send him to the special school. Why do you call special school? Shall I rub this one? Just special school. Special see special under the special means disabled school. Yes, special school means completely the persons who the students the students who are in the disabled persons within the school. It's called special school. The parents decided not to send him to the handicap school. Means when the parents not decided, they wanted to send him to mainstream school. Mainstream school. Ordinary school not. Mainstream. Mainstream. Usually goes to school. Usually students goes to students. Go to school. Just like our school or dialogue something in schools like that. Yes, means called usually. Here, mind everyone, the parents decided not to send him to special school. Because though the boy is a torso, though the boy is a handicap, is a disabled person, completely, they decided not to send him to special school. What for? The parents wanted to develop the courage, commitment in the mindset of them. So, in this, the parents decided to send him to mainstream school. Mainstream school generally we go to just our life just schools are yeah. But which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. Completely, the parents has taken a very fantastic decision to send him to mainstream school. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. When he was born, when the nurse intimated him that he was blessed by the male child with a torso. Everyone minded. When nurse intimated the father that he was blessed by a male child with a torso, the completely he made shock, means depression when they because he had a news torso. Somebody he made automatically in the vomit. It's a distraught mother. Distraught. Upset. Or anxious. The anxious mother, same thing, mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. Completely, when he was born, completely, his father was so shocked that automatically, same manner, the distraught mother, she was in the hospital. She decided not to see the face. She had not seen the face of him. Distraught mother, upset, the boy got 4 months old. She had not seen the face of him. She has not given the milk to him. Everything went on in the weather. Now, his disability came without any medical explanation. For example, now today we are going to facing the corona. Corona completely made this shivering to entire world, but there is no medical explanation. Like that, how the corona came, how the corona has no answer for this reason. He also number of doctors came, Australia, India, number of doctors came and they examined him, but they wanted to know why the boy got torso. But there is no explanation because God has given the punishment. You should think God has given the punishment. God punishment, no question of answer. Corona also same, just like Corona. A rare occurrence called Phocomelia. completely they put a name, scientific name, Phocomelia, they put this name. And Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruelty would happen to them. Number of times, his parents as well as Nick, both are completely suffered. They asking the number of questions. What happened to them? What sin they have did in the last year to get this Phocomelia, to get this disease, to get this torso? But answer, they have not get the correct answer. My mother completely, basically, professionally, she is a nurse, nurse, and she did everything right during the pregnancy. While she was, then she started the pregnancy, she has taken the great care. Because though she is a nurse, she knows everything. She has taken the every care. She knows taking the care during her pregnancy, but she still blamed herself. Though she has taken a lot of care from the pregnancy, God has she was born, she has given the birth to a torso. So she suffered number of times, suffered. But it was so hard for them, but right from the start, completely, they are unable to bear the child because they unable to see being the torso son in front of them, they can't bear. If children in the surroundings area, same age, they are playing, running, walking, but everything going on. But being the boy, he was in the completely home on the bed completely. So answering the boy completely number of times he suffered, they are unable to suffer. Every sorry, but they best to make me independent. Finally, they have decided one thing is there, they should be independent. And sure, my dad put me in the water 18 months, gave the courage to learn how to swim. First of all, I told you, inferiority, superiority. Now, two things that should not have. But the person, father already started to implement, to inculcate, to habituate, but courage in the mindset of Nick, company, his father already put him into the water 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. I also got really into football, skateboard. Company, due to the interest of him. Company, I put him in everyone think, father is going to take him to the water to dip him. But when the boy was fancy doing his fun, company, he wanted to implement the courage. I also got really into the football and skateboard. Company, due to the interest of him, the boy learned skateboard as well as the football. I totally love the English Premier League. Nick's father was a computer programmer. He's a professionally computer programmer and a accountant. See, Nick's father, what is the name of the Nick's father? The examination point of view is given. What is the name of the Nick's parent? What is your answer? The topic is not discussed in the lesson. You should write the answer. What is Nick's father? Means you should say completely Nick's father is a computer programmer as well as a accountant. Completely, he taught his son how to type. He taught his computer program. No, he simply take him in the computer keyboard. Friends, till now, today we learned about the personality development. Why do I say personality development means? Personality means birthmark, character, traits, something is there. So the person, what thing the person should not have? Say answer. First of all, inferiority as well as superiority. Inferiority means weakness. Superiority means upper hand. The person who does not have the two things, the person should achieve anything in the world in easiest manner. So the same steps he has taken Nook Vujicic, who was born in Australia. So up to when he was born, his father has or his father, the company, his father made work in the hospital. The destroyed mother, but he decided not to take him, not to hold him till 4 months old. Something had happened there. Now, the lesson is the father is a computer programmer. Next lesson will continue. Yeah. Main thing, everyone should read this lesson till the computer program the easiest manner. You can answer the questions, comprehensive examinations in the engineering examination.